After receiving a sell signal right here on structure resistance at $1,928, we are seeing a move down. However, it looks like after the S&P 500 up here began skyrocketing, Ethereum here and the rest of the crypto market is seeing a green day. This is really exciting because as we retest this structure resistance, it could mean a breakout to the upside that we've been calling for about a week now. If you trade Ethereum, you're going to want to follow along. And before we dive into the charts, I just want to let you know there's a brand new future forecast video released this morning. It's going to be talking about trading Riot, talking about the long squeeze that's playing out today, and a small masterclass in risk management. On top of that, you'll also get to see another sneak peek, seeing some new features of the trades in favor indicator that we'll be releasing soon. So if you want to see what that's all about, go ahead and grab a membership at the links in the description down below. And with that, let's check out the charts. Before we get started, I just want to welcome anybody that's new and welcome back anyone that's been with us for a while. Today, we're going to move down to the Ethereum metrics. The first metric we're taking a look at, here's the Ethereum Emotional Index. And as this price dropped over the past few days, we saw a drop into neutral territory. However, as the price is rising again, we saw a bounce off of structure support right about here. As the price is rising, we're about to push back into excited territory. Now, traditionally, this is where we're going to see drops back down in the market, but there are times, and this is what I'm hoping to see play out, that we will push into greedy up here in anticipation of the next move down. If we do, we should see a pretty decent move up here in Ethereum, and I'm excited to check that out. This is further supported by the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We still have a lot of volatility in the market. It's not quite high volatility, but there is quite a bit of volatility going on, and if we break out to the upside, I do expect larger green bars to the upside. Now, something I'm concerned about here and something we need to keep in mind is there is a ton of short trade sentiment in the market for Ethereum still. We did see this play out as expected after dropping below -800 on this orange bar right here. We did see a drop in Ethereum. This played out exactly as expected. However, as short trade sentiment continues playing out, this makes me concerned that we're not going to see as much of a move up as expected. However, if we look at the Ethereum major support and resistance level, we see that there's really not any structure resistance until we hit $2,020. This has been my target for quite some time now, as we played around with this structure support right here and right here. I'm really hoping to see a breakout to the upside, and if we do, I think it's straight to $2,020. Next up, I want everyone to take a look at the Ethereum long versus short trades. Long trades are still vastly over short trade volume. There's so many more long trades in the market that even if we do see a small drop to the downside in the short term, this is major structure support, and I do not expect it to go any lower than that. And because of that, I think there is just so much more pressure to the upside. Even if in the short term we see a move down, I'm expecting to see moves up in the longer term. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner. Now, we got a sell signal right here that resulted in a move down. Perfect call. Honestly, this whole pattern has been playing out perfectly with strong sell, sell, and sell at each of the tops and buy signals at each of the bottoms, all calling individual moves up. So as the price has dropped, personally, I would not be shocked to see a buy signal right here on this candle. And if we do, that will almost guarantee the next move up in Ethereum. Now, unfortunately, we do not post videos on weekends, so if you want to be on the lookout for an Ethereum buy signal right here, you're going to want to grab the membership. In fact, all of these metrics will be available to our members. Plus, if you want to get access to that future forecast video and get a sneak peek at the new indicator coming out, you're going to want to sign up for our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the first link. Go ahead and click that, and it'll bring you to the Trade Confident homepage. Just go up here, click subscribe, and what you're going to want to do from here is fill out your information, and I highly recommend the full access for $59 a month. This membership level will get you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, future forecasts, scalping trade calls where we are 22 wins and 0 losses. Just go ahead and click choose, and we hope to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts here, we're using the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators to trade Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame. Now, this chart right here does look pretty complicated. There are a ton of lines to pay attention to. First one is this structure resistance at $1,928, where we saw a rejection right here with a sell signal. This has multiple touches previously too, so this is a really strong structure resistance. And we also have structure support here at $1,811 with tons of touches back here. This is actually where I think we could fall. Previous predictions did show a fall to this intersection right here before a crazy pump up. As of right now, we may not actually see that. We may bounce up from where we are currently. However, this is a super strong structure support, and I do not expect this to break. On top of this, we have an ascending channel pattern in the solid yellow lines and a falling wedge pattern in the dotted yellow lines. Falling wedges tend to be bullish, and this is why I'm expecting after breaking out and retesting to see a crazy move to the upside. However, something to pay attention to here, the price versus well money flow is showing kind of neutral. It's high, it's not super high, but it is decently high in its chart, which most often will result in moves down in the price. However, the value is only about 60 right here, and it's not until about 70 or 80 on this indicator that we're really looking for those moves down. So there is room to move to the upside. At the same time, the trend exhaustion is in its middle section, showing that there really could be a move in either direction. There's a lot of uncertainty right now, but honestly, I'm just seeing a lot more bullish pressure in the market, especially as the S&P 500 makes absolutely crazy gains in the market, absolutely obliterating this previous structure resistance, now posting structure resistance up here, way back here actually at $431. As we move up to test this structure resistance, I do think this will pull the rest of the crypto market, Ethereum included, up much higher. If we break past this structure resistance at $1,928, I think it'll be an easy move straight up to this structure resistance and intersection right here at $2,020. This is what we've been looking for quite some time, and I really do think it's just a matter of time before we reach that resistance. Keep in mind there is the possibility of the drop again to the structure support, but after that, it's just going to be another move up for me. I really do expect to hit $2,020 within the next couple of weeks, and from the current price, this would result in a move of about 7%. Very solid move for anyone trading Ethereum. Of course, this is not financial advice. I do not suggest taking any trades based on what I've just said. Always do your own research, and part of that is going to be looking at indicators like these. If you want to get access to these three indicators, they're absolutely crushing it and have helped us earn 22 wins and 0 losses in our trades. You can get access for up to $400 off right now at the links down in the description of the video you're watching right now. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the indicator store page where you're going to want to click I want this. That'll bring you to the checkout. All you got to do is fill out your information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Just go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get your $400 off. Make sure your information is filled out correctly. Click pay again, and you will be the proud owner of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Once you have those indicators loaded up on your chart, as the price continues up, you're going to be looking for price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and then a sell signal. These three will combine to be extremely bearish. So if you see those, this is likely where we're going to see the next move down in Ethereum. Just be on the lookout for that. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.